Hello friends, welcome to Cube Geeks Pro. This video is about the syllabus and exam pattern of Wipro Elite NLTH for 2021 batch passouts. As discussed in the previous video, the exam pattern of this exam was discussed. Kindly refer to the previous video to know more about this exam in details by clicking on the I button. Let's know the number of questions and the time duration of each section we are going to have. First category is quantitative aptitude. Number of questions will be 16 and the time limit will be 16 minutes. The second category is verbal reasoning, which will contain 22 questions and the time limit will be 18 minutes. The third category is logical reasoning, in which you get 14 minutes to solve 14 questions. Next comes the coding part, which will contain 2 questions and the time limit will be 60 minutes. The last part will be essay writing. You will be given 20 minutes to write an essay. Aptitude syllabus can be divided into 3 categories: basic mathematics, applied mathematics and engineering mathematics. The chapters under basic mathematics are LCM and HCF, number system, decimal fractions and power, time and work, pipes and cisterns, averages, profit and loss, simple and compound interest. The chapters under applied mathematics are time, speed and distance, inverse, problems on trains, geometry and coordinate geometry, clocks and calendar, logarithms, permutation and combinations, and lastly probability. The chapters under engineering mathematics are ratio and proportion, algebra, surds and indices, allegations and mixtures, problems on ages. Now coming to the verbal part, it can be divided into 3 categories. First, vocabulary, which includes synonyms, antonyms and jumbled sentence. The second part is grammar, which includes the chapters sentence formation, inferential and literal comprehension, contextual vocabulary and comprehension reading. The third category is reading comprehension, which includes chapters error identification, sentence improvement and construction, subject-verb agreement, tenses and articles, preposition and conjunctions, speech and voices. Now coming to the logical part, it is divided into 3 categories, which are deductive reasoning, inductive reasoning and abductive reasoning. Chapters under deductive reasoning are coding deductive logic, blood relation, directional sequence, objective reasoning and selection decision tables. The chapters under inductive reasoning are odd man out, statement and conclusion, analogy and classification recognition, seating arrangements, mathematical orders. The chapters under abductive reasoning are logical word sequence, data sufficiency, syllogism and data arrangement. Lastly, the coding section will consist of questions which you can code using C, C++, Java and Python. With this, we end our video. Stay tuned guys for more videos on Wipro NLTH exam.